In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add power-ups in Trello so you can unlock more features, automate your workflow, and customize your board to fit your team's needs. Power-ups are one of the most powerful features inside Trello, and once you know how to use them properly, they can completely transform how you manage projects. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, navigate to the specific board where you want to add a power-up. Remember, power-ups are added per board, so if you want the same power-up on multiple boards, you'll need to add it to each one individually. When you're inside your selected board, look toward the top right area of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled Power-ups. Click on Power-ups to open the Power-ups panel. This is where you can manage all integrations and enhancements available for your board. After clicking Power-ups, a side panel will appear. In this panel, click on Add Power-ups. This will open the Power-up directory, which is essentially Trello's marketplace of integrations and built-in features. Here you'll find a wide range of tools, including calendar views, automation tools, reporting features, time tracking apps, Google Drive integration, Slack integration, and many more. Now you have two options. You can either browse through the featured power-ups that Trello highlights, or you can use the search bar to quickly find a specific power-up. If you already know the name of the tool you want to connect, simply type it into the search bar. If you're exploring, scroll through the featured or popular section to discover useful options. Once you find the power-up you want to add, click on it to see more details. You'll usually see a short description explaining what the power-up does and how it enhances your board. When you're ready, click the Add button. Depending on the power-up, Trello may ask you to confirm the addition, grant permissions, or log into an external account like Google, Slack, or another service. Follow the prompts carefully and complete any required login or authorization steps. After the power-up is successfully added, you can close the Power-ups panel. You should now immediately see the changes reflected on your board. For example, if you added a calendar power-up, you might see a new calendar button. If you added a custom fields power-up, you'll notice new options inside your cards. To manage or view your active power-ups at any time, simply click on Power-ups again from the top right of your board. This will show you a list of all currently enabled power-ups. From here, you can configure settings, disable a power-up, or remove it completely if you no longer need it. And that's it. That's how you add power-ups in Trello. As you can see, it's a simple process, but it unlocks a huge amount of flexibility and functionality for your boards. Whether you're managing a remote team, tracking personal goals, or organizing client projects, power-ups can help you work smarter and more efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Trello guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.